morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the fifth chapter of your social and political life, that is judiciary. In our previous chapter, Understanding Laws, we had discussed about rule of law. Yes, what do you mean by rule of law? Rule of law means all are equal in front of law. Means no one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, religion, gender, wealth, etc. So the next question comes that who will implement rule of law or who will enforce rule of law? Yes, judiciary or the judicial system will implement or enforce rule of law. So in this chapter, we will discuss about the meaning of judiciary, the role of judiciary, the independence of judicial system, then structure of judiciary, various branches of the judicial system. Let's start with the meaning of judiciary. Judiciary का मतलब क्या है? Judiciary means it consists of a number of courts. अलग अलग लेवल में अलग अलग कोर्ट्स होते हैं and it comes under the structure of judiciary which we will discuss in our next video. So judiciary means it is a system or it is an institution which enforces the rule of law or which administers the justice. Means जो rule of law को enforce करते हैं, implement करते हैं और जो हमें justice दिलवाते हैं. It is a system or institutions through which people get justice. Now, what is the role of judiciary? Actually, there are three main roles of judiciary. Judiciary plays a very important role and these three main roles are: first one is dispute resolution, second one is judicial review, and third one is upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. So let us discuss all these roles of judiciary one by one. First role is dispute resolution. Dispute resolution का मतलब है, dispute means conflict, resolution means solve करना, conflict को solve करना, means judiciary conflict solve करती है. अब conflict किसके बीच में conflict है, किसके बीच में dispute है? Dispute can be between two citizens, between citizens and the government, between two state governments, between the central government and the state governments. किसी के बीच में भी अगर dispute arise होती है, चाहे दो citizen के बीच में, चाहे citizens and government के बीच में हो, चाहे दो state government के बीच में हो, चाहे एक state government और central government के बीच में हो, any type of dispute, any type of conflict will be solved by the judiciary. And this is a very important role of judiciary to solve disputes or to solve conflicts. That is why it is called dispute resolution. Now the second role of judiciary is judicial review. Judicial review का मतलब क्या है? Before I can explain you about judicial review, we should know 2-3 words, 2-3 terms you can say. First is constitution. Constitution क्या है? What is constitution? It is a written documents of rules and regulations according to which the country is governed. आपको पता है ना constitution का मतलब क्या है? Yes, it is a written rules and regulations according to which the country is governed. अब ये जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, ये जो लॉज होते हैं, where the laws are passed, who passes the law? The parliament passes the law. All the laws are passed by the parliament. Now the question is, जो parliament laws pass करते हैं according to the constitutions, अगर जुडिशियरी को ये लगता है कि कोई भी लॉ पार्लियामेंट ने पास किया है and that law violates the basic structure of constitution, then the judiciary has the power to strike down that law. Did you get it? समझ में आया है? इसका मतलब है judiciary is very powerful, and not only that, judiciary is known as the custodian of constitution also. जुडिशियरी को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कास्टडियन भी माना जाता है या गार्डियन भी माना जाता है। तो इसलिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को प्रोटेक्ट करना, रक्षा करना जुडिशियरी का काम है। तो जो पार्लियामेंट में लॉज पास होता है, अगर जुडिशियरी को फील होता है कि कोई भी लॉ जो पार्लियामेंट में पास हुआ है दैट इज अगेंस्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर के अगेंस्ट है, वायलेशन ऑफ द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, तो उस टाइम जुडिशियरी के पास वो पावर है टू स्ट्राइक डाउन दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉ, एंड दैट पावर ऑफ जुडिशियरी इट इज नोन एज judicial review. So let us see what is written here about judicial review. Judicial review means the judiciary has the power to strike down particular laws passed by the parliament if it believes that these are a violation of the basic structure of the constitution. So this power of judiciary, it is known as judicial review. The next power of judiciary is upholding the laws and enforcing fundamental rights. आपको पता है according to our constitution has given all the citizens of our country the 6 fundamental rights. All the citizens they enjoy 6 fundamental rights which are given by the constitution. ये 6 fundamental rights आपको पता है? The 6 fundamental rights are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. ये 6 fundamental rights है. We will study. आप पढ़ेंगे next class में. तो ये जो 6 फंडामेंटल राइट्स है, फंडामेंटल मीन्स दीज आर द बेसिक राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन। तो ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स हमें किसने दिया है? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने दिया है। तो नो वन हैज द राइट टू वायलेट आवर फंडामेंटल राइट्स। ना तो गवर्नमेंट के पास भी वो पावर है, ना तो गवर्नमेंट आवर फंडामेंटल राइट्स को वायलेट कर सकती है। इवन इफ कोई भी सिटीजन या गवर्नमेंट किसी की भी फंडामेंटल राइट्स को वायलेट नहीं कर सकती है। अगर किसी का फंडामेंटल राइट्स वायलेट होता है तो दैट पर्सन कैन अप्रोच टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट हिज और हर फंडामेंटल राइट्स। दिस रोल ऑफ द जुडिशियरी to protect the fundamental rights of the citizen if their fundamental rights are being violated by some other person or by the government. This power of judiciary, it is known as upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. So upholding law and enforcing fundamental rights में क्या है? Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court or the High Court if his or her fundamental rights have been violated. अगर fundamental rights violate होता है तो कोई भी citizen कोर्ट के पास मीन्स जुडिशियरी सिस्टम के पास अप्रोच कर सकते हैं। So these 3 are the main or major role of judiciary. I hope you have understood these 3 role of judiciary. Yes, thank you and have a good day.